Hey guys, it's Ben here from the Fibreglass factory. So here's a pattern ready for us to mould off. Since our fire that we've had, we've been redoing all our moulds. What we've found best is to paint them with 2-pack, and we get a gloss which helps the product come away from the mould easier. It'll produce longer lasting moulds and it'll be of a better quality for the customer. All right, so what we need to do before we can get the 2-pack paint on is we need to get the thing nice and straight with body filler, and then once we're happy with the shape of it, then we'll put down some 2-pack high fill and block that back, and then we can apply our 2-pack top coat. And then the quick process for moulding is we're using a product called Chemlease liquid release sealer. So we put a coat of that down, we use a coat of wax, put another coat of the sealer down, another coat of wax, and then that'll give us a good release off it. And we won't have to use any PVA which detracts from the finish. So we're looking for the best finish we can possible, and the Chemlease semi-permanent sealer has been really good for that. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video.